Hello, we're excited to introduce MySmartHomeManager, an app that organizes household chores while motivating children with a reward system.
MySmartHomeManager addresses a real problem: many chores left incomplete due to a lack of organization and motivation. Our app is designed for families, helping parents manage tasks and children to stay responsible while earning rewards.
When a user first opens our app, they get the option between children and parents. In parents, they can see the list of children and add another one. Here we'll add Samuel. Once you click submit, you can insert the children and you can add a chore. To add a chore, you need to add a chore name, for example sweeping, and a value, for example 3. After adding the chore, we can go ahead and add a reward. Here we can assign what rewards the children can earn by completing a chore. Once we have finished assigning that, we can go back to the children's side to see how that will work. Once clicking on the children's name, he can complete a chore and purchase a reward for himself.
We carefully designed MySmartHomeManager using Figma, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. Every color, icon, and screen layout was chosen for clarity, accessibility, and a smooth user experience.
To code the app, we used a low-code app builder called Bravo Studio. We used Figma for the user interaction and prototyping. Airtable was used as our backend database, Make, formerly known as Ingromat, for automations, and JSON code for our API. Now that you've seen what tools we used, let's go into each one in more detail.
We use Figma's prototyping tool to add interactivity to our app, such as buttons and navigation. We also use Bravo tags to add functionalities to our app, such as pulling down to refresh and checkboxes. We use Bravo Studio to turn our Figma design into a fully functional app capable of working on both iOS and Android. We used Make for automations such as deleting the week's purchases, resetting chores to to-do status at the end of the week, and reward purchasing function. We connect Bravo Studio to Airtable using APIs written in JSON code format. Here, there are different API requests such as delete, get, and post. For the demonstration, I will use post. Here in the post, first we call the API link found in the Airtable documentation and provide the security token that I configured. Next, in the body, we see the JSON code, where we check what records, what particular fields. Then the reward name is assigned the reward name that the parent enters in the form field. The same goes for value. And the ID uses an ID variable that automatically detects what child the parent selected and adds that particular ID. The rest of the brackets are just JSON code syntax. We used Airtable as our backend database, which stores all of our app's information, and all of it can be edited via the mobile app.